Hello, in this video we will solve Natas 13. So the web page seems to be the same as level 12 except only image files will be accepted now. So if we open the source code, the code is similar to the previous level except for the condition which has been marked right here. That checks if the file is an image or not. Again, our goal should be to read the contents of the file Natas webpass Natas 14 to get the password of the next level. But how do we bypass the check which allows only image files to be uploaded? Well, we can append the .bmp extension to our script instead of .php1, which makes it a BMP file, and choose that file on the web page. The BMP file format or bitmap is a raster graphic image file format used to store bitmap digital images. Then we can use burp-suite to change the file type to a .php when we intercept the file while uploading it. So open the burp-suite, go to the proxy browser and log into the Natas level 13. Open a text editor and write the following code in a file. Now save this file as a .bmp. So we will save this file as natas.bmp. Now go to your burp-suite, turn on your interceptor and choose the file natas.bmp. Now upload the file. As you can see, the burp-suite catches the request. Here you can change .jpg to .php. Again change .jpg, .bmp to PHP here so that it gets converted to PHP file, and change the content type to be application slash PHP because we want the server to read this as a PHP file and forward this request. Now you can turn the interceptor off and go to your browser. The PHP file has been made. Open the link, and as soon as the link opens, you will be able to see the password for Natas 14.